Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming control of both accounts because you will link them directly. Open Facebook settings and make sure your account email is current and visible where needed, then sign into Gmail in a separate tab. Once done, go to Facebook settings and privacy to locate data tools. This step matters because Facebook's interface limits export options on mobile. Make sure to use desktop, since it provides the consistent menus needed to access the export and contact tools without interruption. Next, navigate to download your information under Facebook settings. Select only the friends or contact information to reduce clutter. Choose an HTML or JSON format. HTML is easier to read. Then request the download and wait for Facebook to prepare the file. When the archive is ready, download and extract it. Open the friends or contact file to see names and any email addresses Facebook stored and allowed you to export. This process ensures you only retrieve data Facebook intentionally provides, respecting privacy settings. Finally, import the exported file into Google Contacts by choosing Import and uploading your CSV or converted file. Map name and email fields when prompted so addresses land in the right slots. Once imported, use merge and fix duplicates to clean the list and label contacts for organization. If you find no emails, make sure Facebook actually included them and that privacy settings allowed export. Try regenerating the archive after checking settings, because Facebook can delay or block.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.